It is important to be careful when participating in airdrops. When participating in airdrops in the cryptocurrency market, there are several important points to consider. Airdrops are a method used by various projects to distribute their tokens for free. These can be used for a variety of purposes such as promoting the project, increasing the value of the tokens, and expanding the user base. However, they can also be used by scammers with malicious intentions. Therefore, it is important to be cautious when participating in airdrops. Make sure that the project organizing the airdrop is a genuine one. Research the project and ensure that it is being run by a real team. If you suspect that the project is fake or is being used for fraudulent purposes, stay away from the airdrop. When participating in an airdrop, make sure to provide the correct information as requested by the project. Providing incorrect or incomplete information can cause your tokens to be invalid. Before participating in an airdrop, read and understand the terms and conditions set by the project. If you do not follow the terms and conditions of the airdrop, you may lose your tokens. Research the value of the tokens being given in the airdrop and consider whether the tokens are likely to increase in value in the future. If the value of the tokens is low, it may not be a good reason to invest in the airdrop. Avoid fraudulent airdrops. To avoid fraudulent airdrops, keep the following points in mind. Stay away from clearly fake websites. Fake websites are one of the most common methods used by scammers in airdrops. It can be difficult to determine that the project is fake on these websites. Therefore, do not trust clearly fake-looking websites and stay away from them. Check the authenticity of the information being requested. Scammers often request personal information from users in airdrops. Do not provide this information without verifying its authenticity and research the information being requested. Do not make payments requested. Scammers often request payments from users in airdrops. Do not make such payments and stay away from the airdrop if payment is requested. Do not click on links provided. Scammers often expose users to phishing attacks in airdrops. These attacks are used to install malware on the user's computer. Therefore, do not click on links provided in fraudulent airdrops and stay away from such links. Research the value of the tokens being given. Scammers often ensure that the value of the tokens given in the airdrop is very low. Therefore, research the value of the tokens being given in the airdrop and stay away from the airdrop if the value is low. Can income be obtained from airdrops? It is possible to obtain income from airdrops, but the amount of income will depend on the value of the tokens given in the airdrop. If the value of the tokens is high, the income obtained from the airdrop may also be high. However, if the value of the tokens is low, the income obtained from the airdrop may also be low. Additionally, when and how the income obtained from the airdrop will be paid may also vary according to the terms and conditions set by the project. Therefore, before participating in an airdrop, read and understand the terms and conditions set by the project. In conclusion, airdrops can be used for various purposes in the cryptocurrency market, but they can also be used by scammers with malicious intentions. Therefore, there are several important points to consider when participating in airdrops. These include verifying the authenticity of the project organizing the airdrop, providing the correct information requested in the airdrop, reading the terms and conditions of the airdrop, and avoiding fraudulent airdrops. However, if used correctly, income can also be obtained from airdrops. It is not investment advice.